Up they come. A lot of you have seen the work that all of these put in. Literally from judging to Caden working on the door to Scott being in the back saying, right Joe, make sure you don't do this, make sure you do that, make sure you do this. Kaylee on the camera, guys, the hours and hours and hours she stands here on the camera and everything. Vicky with everything from dressing this room and all this she does every week. And here again judging. Is an amazing team, and honestly I generally, going back a couple of seasons ago, I thought I could do it all on my own. That's how I am, but I generally couldn't have done this the last couple of seasons without these people. I generally couldn't have. There's no way I could have coped with it. I could just about cope now. So honestly, I thank you all very, very much for everything you've done since you've been in there as a team, alright? You're amazing and incredible.